Hey, so welcome back to the JMT. So now I did the back end spacers. Now I need to do the front end spacers. So check this out. I need to get it all jacked up so the tires are off the ground, get the tires removed, and then start taking apart the front end suspension. Here it goes. Start off on the passenger side. So first I'm going to take off the sway bar connect, and then I'm going to disconnect the lower shock housing, and then disconnect the brake line to the frame. So here it goes. Okay, now we got the passenger side done. We do the same thing to the driver's side. Sides disconnected. Now we got to basically install the pucks. Yep, comes the pucks. Now we got to basically put it all back together. Okay, we got to hook up the quick disconnects, and then I recommend doing this when it's on the ground and it's level. So let's hook this up now. Now everything's connected, and now we just gotta pull it out and see if I have any height difference. So let's do that next. Okay, now let's do the after measurements. So before we had like 21.5 up front. Now we're sitting at about 23 in the front. And now to the bottom of the fender flare, we had 37, and now we have about 39.5. We had 37.5 before. To the bottom of the running board, we had 21.5. Now we have about 22. Okay, back fender should be the same as the front, but just to double checker, we had 37 before. Now we have almost 39.5. So that's good. And the back, to finish it up, the back to the back of the trailer hitch, we had 18.5. Now we have 19.5. So overall, we added about a 1/2 inch of ground clearance and another 2 inches of wheel articulation. I'm pretty excited. Thanks for watching me put on my new 2-inch lift spacers on the Jeep. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more, and keep hitting them trails.